fairly similar?
All
Alright, so we have a 2003 Dodge Ram here with no heater problem at certain times. But right now we have way too much heat, even though in the cold position. And if I turn down the blower motor, you can hear a thump in the center console like a blend door. And then once that happens, then you have cold again. And so go ahead and now we have a lot of heat. Now we're going to turn off the blower motor. Then we're going to hear a thump. You heard the thump. And once that thump happens, then when we turn on the blower, we'll have cold air now. Yep, cold air is happening right now. And then now we turn on the heat all the way. We have no heat. Still no heat. Still no heat. Just keep it on the circulating door. Just turn this slowly. Oh, now we got heat. So we turn it to cold. All of a sudden, it was stuck in heat. Now we go back to heat, then we still have heat. But now we cannot get back to cold until we turn off the blower motor. It's almost like some kind of door is actually broken, and all of a sudden when you turn it on to the cold, the air is like enough to push that whole flap door back up again. So imagine that the bottom blend door is working and the air somehow goes to the top and pushes that door to the hot position and makes it stays there. And it cannot escape down. It cannot drop down until you turn off the air. When you turn off the airflow, then the door can manually drop back down again. So that's what's happening. So now we're going to turn back off air, and then we hear the flap. Doop. So the door doesn't have any air pushing it up, so it just drops down. And then when I turn back on the cold, and I get back to the cold, because that top door is down. Now, if I turn it to hot, it won't get.
Now it's working.
Now
Yeah.
it's working. Now we go back to cold. It should still be stuck to cold. I mean, stuck to hot until you turn off the fan.
Leave it.
Now we turn off.
See, you hear that? That's when.
So my assumption is the top blend door is faulty. I always want to know if this control unit is really working well too. Like if we got another car, we just plug it in and then we'll know. Maybe like before I start tearing up the dash, maybe just get a different unit of this.
I was gonna say, why don't we order this one before?
My friend has a Cherokee. It might have the same controls, maybe. But we